Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a project I've been working on. I purchased this die from Scrap Divas. It's the Valentine banner set. Is that all? Valentine banner set tall bag, maybe it says? I'm not sure. But anyway, this is how the die comes. You can find all of her information here on how to find her products. And I just put my scraps in here. These are one of the banner pieces that it cuts out there. And I didn't use it, so there's a lot of pieces I didn't use, so I'm going to end up putting them all in here. But this is what I ended up with. I'll show you just a little process. I cut them all out in different colors of paper, and then I just picked different assortments and put them together. That's how I did it, so stay tuned. Just a little clip of how I did it.
Startled our eyes, we let go of
Okay, so this is what I ended up with. So I have a whole bunch of the mini ones that I clustered together, and that's what you just saw me putting together. So these I can just use on projects. I can add them to the flags if I wanted to decorate more like that. But I'm just gonna save them and have a little stash of these bows so I can use for other projects. So the banners I ended up with are these. I used foam to pop them all up like that. And these are the different ones I got. So they'll be good to add to projects. I'm thinking of adding maybe some letters, spelling out some words, or I'm not sure, but that's what I was thinking. Or maybe I do have a bunny punch. I could put bunnies here. I don't know. We'll see. But I just wanted to make a stash of them so that when I am ready to start working on some projects, I will have things to use to work with. And like I said, I'm gonna use these for Valentine's. And this I just used whatever I had left. I didn't pop them up on the foam dots. I just left them flat. But yeah, so I know a lot of people have been using Erica's die, this one here, for Valentine's. So I just wanted to give you guys some other options that you can use them for different holidays and different themes and things like that. So yes, I hope you guys found this inspirational. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!